Whoa, easy there. Okay, it is way too dirty. Just gonna put everything back here. Right there. And then I'm gonna recommend this. Whoa. What is this? Oops. You know what? Let's go ahead and remove this engine undercover. You don't really have to because you do have like an access here for your drain plug and an access here for your filter. But since we have this, I don't know what is this, but let's go ahead and pull this engine cover out. Missing one right there. Oops. What is this? Probably some random stuff they pick it up on the road. Yeah. Got my 17mm. Alright guys, so this is OTC magnetic drain plug. It is an awesome tool. If you guys want to buy one of this, I do have the link down below. Okay, so do not reuse the old gasket. Install the new one in. For this guy to spec right there. And here is the part number, guys. It's right there. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick visual inspection. CV axle still looking pretty good. Brake pads is still like 7 to 8 millimeter. Need tires soon. You got a CVT1 transmission. Yeah, I did set the tire pressure to 35 psi, and I am going to rotate them as well. This one is not collapsing yet, but the one I did on K4 not too long ago, it's collapsing. But this one is still looking pretty good. Heck is that? Sweet, so we all cleaned up and tight. Alright, so we are missing one to begin with. Let's see if we can find one for her. Alright, here we go. Always save the day. Well, that's unusual. All right, so she doesn't have any sticker, but part of my job is to install one. I don't know, maybe right here. She can remove it if she wanted to. All right, so let's go ahead and figure out how to reset her maintenance light. So I did select setup, and I'm gonna type cluster right there and look for convenience down here, service interval, and reset. Yes, there you go. Now we're gonna turn it off and turn back on just to verify it did actually reset it. Yep, we are good. Okay, let's go ahead and double check our fluid level. So I let it set for 2 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and dip this guy back in. All right, so this is low, this is full, and this is where we are. We are good. We're all set, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.